Myself Anjali,
Myself Nisha
and we are from grade first here.
from Shoaib Coaching Center, Nawabshah.
Let's start. So, today our topic is Abdul Sattar Iddi. So, the first key point is his early life and values. Today I am going to tell you about his early life and values. Abdul Sattar Iddi was born in 1928, Gujarat, India. From a young age, he saw people suffering from poverty and illness, which deeply affected him. After the partition, he moved to Pakistan and started helping people with whatever little he had. His values were simple but powerful: honesty, service, and love for all. He believed that no religion is higher than humanity. He did not care about money or fame. He cared about people, especially those who had no one else.
Number 2 point is the beginning of ED Foundation. So, ED began his mission by just a small van. The van was known as the ED Foundation, and it is now a largest charitable network in the Pakistan. It runs from the hospitals, orphanages, and all the in old ages homes, and also shelters of women for the free of cost. And also, no matter what the region is, what the region or what the caste or any society matters.
So now the third point is the life of selflessness. So what makes Idrisar truly inspiring is how he lived. He never wore expensive clothes and lived in a small room at his foundation and owned just two pairs of clothes. He never took a salary from the foundation. When he became famous, he stayed humble. He personally bathed the bodies of the dead and held abandoned babies in his arms. He never hesitated to service with his own hands. His actions show that true greatness lies in humanity and service.
So number 4 point is the legacy and the impact. So the Abdul Sattar ED was passed away in 2016 and his death was mourned across the world, but his work did not stop and he did at the ED Foundation help others into their years. And now he also inspired that people to serve the community, and also it provides the others to help others. And also he doesn't build any organization, he built a compassion of a movement.
Now let's conclude. We truly admire about Abdul Sattar Idri's life and legacy. His actions showed that one person with a kind heart and strong will can change the millions of lives. Let's
So in today's world, that people forget the kindness, and the Sutta ED shows that the human is now is lacking of the ear and the love, and also we thank him for teaching us that the real heroes can serve the us, and also it from all the heart. So
let's not wait for another ED to be born.
let's try to make ED to in other lives in someone's life today.
Thank you.
Thank you.